नमस्कार गीता जी.
नमस्कार. हमारे मेंटोर and my guru, Mr. Vikas. I am very much grateful to you, to this universe, and to all the team for connecting me with these people. Vikas has done my PLR, and he has been totally encouraging, and even the enthusiasm in him has inspired me to be confident and get my PLR done through him. Here there are very many people, the team consisting of Fatima ji, Sheikh Saab, and the other participants too. There are some previous participants too who has supported, guided us. I'm very thankful to Dr. Piyush Saxena for coming out with this technique, which is doing wonderful, awesome changes in the lives of very many participants. He had been on a visit here, and his aura was so huge that engulfed us totally and changed our thoughts and views towards life. I'm very much thankful to all the universe and the people here who have been a guiding soul light to me. I do PLRs, and the effect that comes in the nature is vast different from the normal one. I would encourage and inspire through my little information that all the people, if we could decide, make place in our life's journey to take up a decision and do the PLR, they will understand the purpose of their lives, their souls, and can also inspire and be guided to the next generations to come with their knowledge, their enlightenment. Thank you, Mr. Vikasji,
Thank you,
for
Geeta ji.
supporting.
Couple of questions I have.
Yes.
Very simple thing. What do you think PLR can be used for a normal person? Where it is helpful for them? Not one can become a PLR therapist. Not everybody is having time nowadays. But everybody is suffering. Suffering from many things. What they have done in the past, what diseases they are having, and whatever karmas they are doing. They don't know what they are doing. But at the result, they are suffering. So what we can contribute towards the society?
I feel that the society is always inspired and it grows and gets enlightenment through people, their various thoughts, their techniques. We should be always the guiding angels without pressurizing the generations. Everyone is self-enlightened. The universe itself takes care of every soul and everything that has come to this earth or the universe. I feel that for everything there is a cure, and everything you understand comes from the higher source. We only require to give some time to ourselves, which is the most essential thing. We should take out some few minutes in a day to understand our own selves, our goals of life, our goals of soul. Everyone is coming to this life with a certain purpose. And if we understand that, I don't think there will be any squabbles, any difference of opinions, since we all will be having a united thought and we can do awesome for ourselves, our lives, and all that is connected with this universe. It is awesome experience for y'all. I had gone in this PLR to the huge ball of light out of this earth. I'm sure it is very difficult for me to understand how there can be such a huge universe. The unimaginable universe we are never grateful to. But when you go and understand these things, I think it has brought profound change in my life. And this will also help and guide all the beings of this earth to support their own self.
Thank you very much, Geeta ji, for your
Thank you,
time,
sir. Thank you.
for your
Jai Shri
blessings.
Krishna. Thank you. Jai Shri
Thank you
Krishna.
very much, everyone. Thank you.